Alright guys, welcome back for another video. Today we have Talking James and our friend. Here's the note, say that this talks but doesn't run, and he say that he needs some stickers. Let's see what's going on.
Hello, I'm James. I'm James. I'm the brightest red engine on Sodor.
Okay, yes, definitely the problem is on the electric motor. So oh look, it's broken. We're gonna fix this. So in order to fix this, we're going to try and disassemble the engine and try to spin the electric motor. So hopefully that solves the problem. Okay, here is what I'm going to do. I will turn the switch on and spin this gear right here. Hopefully it begins to move.
Hello, I'm James.
No, it's not working. So it feels really sticky. Something might be wrong with the electric motor or the gearbox. So we got to disassemble the entire gearbox. Okay, let's try again.
Hello, I'm James.
No, it's not working. Okay, I will try one more time. It looks like it tried to move while I was not recording, but
Hello, I'm
see.
James.
Now it's definitely working. See right there? Yeah, I knew it was the problem on the electric motor because the wires look okay to me. So the problem was this motor, electric motor. And if you have the same problem, you can fix it. You gotta turn it on and spin the electric motor to make it work. Now let's put back together. Now please remember, before you proceed to assemble the entire engine, try again if the electric motor is working. Let's see, look, you see, as you can see, it's perfectly working. Now you can continue and assemble the entire model engine. Before I forget, I will add some super glue to the coupler to get it fixed, and this will last for a long time. Super glue is very strong, so this will help a lot. Okay, now that it's dry, we can continue. As you can see, the hair that you can notice on this axle on the wheels is one of the main problems that make your model engine run really slow. So now that I have the opportunity that is open, I can cut and remove that hair. That is a lot of hair I removed from the drive axle. Okay, I want to demonstrate there is some problem with the batteries. The batteries are with a low charge. Look.
Hello.
Really slow. So if you have the same problem, try to put fresh batteries because these are no longer working. So these are going for the trash can. And to test, I will use fresh batteries and see the difference.
Hello, I'm Jane.
You can do this test every time you assemble one of these parts, so you don't have to disassemble the entire model engine, because sometimes there will be a wire obstructing the wheels or something else. Now we need to remove the stickers. You know how to do this. I will not try to make a boring video. Just peel the stickers off, use some water or solvent to remove these stickers, and then I will replace for new ones. It's clean and ready for the new stickers. Alright, we are done. Let's make a test.
Hello, I'm Jane.
Now, can you see this bunch of hair right here? That makes the model engine run slow too. So let's fix this. Too much hair. Okay, I hope you guys learned something today about these modern engines, how to fix and repair. And if you want to support my channel, don't forget to click the link below. If you learned something today, that's great for you. And hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Over and out.